Union Finance and Corporate Affairs Minister Nirmala Sitharaman on Thursday tabled the Economic Survey 2025-26 in Parliament, projecting real GDP growth of 7.4% and gross value added growth of 7.3% for FY26, reaffirming India's position as the fastest growing major economy for the fourth consecutive year. The survey estimates India's potential growth at around 7% and projects real GDP growth in FY27 in the range of 6.8 to 7.2%, even as the global economic environment remains fragile amid geopolitical tensions, trade fragmentation, and financial vulnerabilities. According to the survey, private consumption remained a key driver of growth, with private financial consumption expenditure rising by 7% in FY26 and accounting for 61.5% of GDP, the highest since 2012. The improvement was supported by low inflation, stable employment, and rising real income, alongside strong rural demand and improving urban consumption. The report News Now.